All right, so today I have a model from New Balance that I wanted to do a video with you guys on. This is a new colorway, and it's pretty nice. It's called the Moonrock and Sea Salt colorway. I think this one looks really, really solid. And this is a unisex colorway as well, something that I appreciate that New Balance is doing. But anytime you have unisex ones, I think is a big plus, because honestly, this is a colorway that I could wear, or I could actually get my wife to wear even, and I actually ended up getting this pair for her because I thought she would really like it. I mean, I wanted it, but honestly, I was just trying to be giving and let her try it out. She hasn't actually seen these in hand yet. Big shout out to New Balance for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know, they sponsor content on my channel. All the words in the video are mine. They don't get to dictate anything I say, but I do appreciate them for just allowing me to have like an authentic partnership with them. It means the world to me, honestly, and hopefully it means something to you guys as well. So anytime you guys want to support the channel, feel free to like the videos, or if you guys make any of the purchases from New Balance, go to my videos and use my links to New Balance's website. That directly supports my family when you guys do that. Greatly appreciated. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the box, and we'll get the wife's opinion on her thoughts on these. I'll tell you though, for what you get here, these look really, really good. It's almost like a collab. They're so nice. All right, so I brought the wife along, and now we have the box. So I already did an intro to the video. And I told them that I was gonna show you these because you haven't seen them yet. So open the box. This is your first look.
The new box. Oh, I like the colors.
So I actually...
Are you going to be jealous of these?
Yes,
like my other
I think
ones?
so. Yeah, so she's talking about the 991 V2s. If you guys didn't see that video, you should check it out, because I'm so salty that I still don't have those. And she wears them all the time now, don't you? It's ridiculous.
Just to like rub it in your face a little bit.
Pretty much. This colorway is fire, though. This is the New Balance 1000.
I like the traction too.
This shoe actually originally came out in 1999. What type of debauchery were you up to in 1999?
I was a sophomore in high school.
99?
Yeah.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, because I graduated high school in 2001.
Oh, okay. I graduated 2 years before.
I know.
So you're a sophomore in high school, so you were doing lots of fun things then. Maybe.
Maybe I wanted these, but I couldn't afford them.
Yeah, well, they are retros from 99. Now they brought them back. And this is the thing. Some of the colorways I don't really like, to be honest. But this colorway specifically,
I like this colorway.
I think it really makes... This might be the best colorway of the 1000 I've seen. It's definitely like an attractive one. I think New Balance is like kind of known for their gray sneakers anyway. So it's like along that line, but it's so neutral that it's very wearable. The other thing is that this is actually what they call a unisex sneaker. So men or women, I like that.
I like that.
That you can have. I could wear these and be like super happy about it, and you could wear them and be super happy. I just was nice enough to offer them to you instead of taking my own pair.
Appreciate.
I kind of regret it. I kind of regret it after getting them and seeing them in hand. Some of the details that you like about the shoe. What do you think? Like, do you like the suede?
I like the color. I like, the suede part is like really nice. I actually like the bulky kind of laces, and then I like this part too, the suede part on the upper.
I actually didn't even notice the laces. Hi, Henry. Hi, Henry. This is how life is in a house with no kids when they're in school. We have puppies. I want to see the microphone. Yeah, the laces are fat. Those are like really wide laces.
I like how these could probably give me like an 1.5 inch height on myself.
A little height.
Very nice.
Good unisex purposes for myself as well.
I actually like how it has a double like
heel tab.
Yeah, I like that actually a lot. It's kind of cushiony in the back.
I don't know if they're ruining. Are they ruining the video or making it better?
I don't know. They're pretty cute, so I feel like they enhance the video.
Yeah, something like that. Hi, Millie.
But I like them. Yeah, they're cool.
I do like the
some baggy jeans.
Yeah, you could do that now. I do like the mesh on it as well. Like, it's kind of like a diamond shaped mesh that looks really cool. Features ABZORB in this midsole as well, so it's kind of look nice and bouncy and stuff. But overall, comfort wise, I think you're gonna enjoy these. The retail price on these, what do you think?
It says running on them.
Yeah. Well, that's what. So back to my point is that they were running shoes in 1999. In modern days, this is just a retro, like a lifestyle shoe now.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So this is like more like a lifestyle pair now, even though it was initially made for running, which is why you could see like suede overlays instead of like mesh and stuff like that.
Am I supposed to do retail for $19.99 or retail for
No, what's the current retail, do you think?
$150.
That's actually right.
What?
150, yeah. That's crazy. The other pair that I got you were like $250. So this one is like a much more affordable pair.
I feel like that's worth it.
But it's
150, like that's
Yeah.
totally
Stylish, I
they're
think.
super cute.
I'm jealous. All right, put them on. Let's see what you think.
Comfy.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, they look really nice. Dude, I'm so jealous.
Dude, you didn't even want these.
I know.
And
the
now
thing is-
I think you just want what you can't have.
I mean, I could probably get a pair, but the colorway is so good though.
Yeah, the
And I can
colorway
see
is
for
really
men
nice.
or women.
They're cushy.
Oh, they look so good. Look at that. That's a good shot. All right, so closing thoughts, anything?
They're squishy. I like them. They'd be nice to walk around in. And I feel like they would go with anything, so that's nice too, just because of the neutral color. They're cool. I like them.
I'm jealous. I think they look great. I think this is a colorway that I really, really enjoy. Best colorway, I think, out of all of the New Balance 1000s, this is the best one by far.
Well, thanks for getting them for me then.
Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us. And we do have a follow-up video because I'm going to show her this pair in the next video. And we're going to We're going to see if you like these ones better. So come back to the channel. We're going to show her. And we'll do another video very, very shortly. I'll tell you right now, it's the 740 model, which means nothing to her. If you guys are interested in buying these though, link in the description, take you over to New Balance. Appreciate y'all for anybody that does that. Supports us and the kiddos when you guys do that. But yeah, have a good one. Hopefully see you back for some more videos. Bye guys.